First Lieutenant Braddock. I work at 325 BSB. I'm a 70 Bravo.
My name is Devontae Burns. I'm a First Lieutenant. I'm a 19 Alpha, which is also more commonly known as an Armor Officer.
My name is John Scott. I'm a First Lieutenant. I'm a 15 Alpha. It's an aviation officer, so I'm a UH-60 Black Hawk pilot.
My name is First Lieutenant Deshaun Johnson, MOS 19 Alpha Armor Officer.
My name is Lieutenant John Kim. So I'm currently at the 130th Engineering Brigade. I'm a finance officer there.
So right now we're at Fort Shafter's bowling alley. Right now we're going to do some game of bowling with some of my friends. So we're going to kick foot, take names, and kick some pins.
Pretty much here, Schofield, just Hawaii in general. We train hard, but we also get a lot of off time to kind of decompress from what would be our daily activities as far as work. On a typical Saturday, yeah, this is definitely one of the go-tos. Just coming out, relaxing, and yeah, me and all my friends, you know, from the Army, other branches as well, come and enjoy ourselves.
So when you come into Hawaii, at least, there's a really good program that they have in place so that they integrate you in slowly, so that you can make a better transition, you know, social transition. They put guys that had also just came back onto the island, so you're in a similar situation. You're a little unaware of the Hawaii life, the aloha life that we like to call it here.
So I actually met some of them in processing a year and a half ago when I first arrived to the island. I was new to the Army, and I really connected with all these soldiers and my friends, and now I can say I have made a lifelong friend.
You know, everybody here is away from home, kind of looking for stuff to do, so you make friends and find stuff to do and hang out. Definitely get a nice little group of friends together.
Over the years, I've made countless friends, and the Army is very small. It's tight-knit. I see my friends all over the place, like guys that I met in Korea, guys that I met at Fort Meade, Maryland, DC. I see them here in Hawaii sometimes, and just like, hey, it's just a bond that never goes away.
So friendly competition today and just beating up on my friends.
I don't know if I'm going to win, but I am going to be one of the top 2 competitors out here.
We'll see. It might be a slow start, but you know, I always aim to win.
I think I'll do okay unless they mess up.
Bowling is absolutely a sport. It's one of the hardest sports that, you know, that I can play right now. But I'd say I usually hit around like 150, 160. You know, it's pretty modest.
Usually it's around 160-ish. I don't have the curve action, but I can throw some speed.
Well, it's going to be an awesome time. We're going to have a lot of fun.